Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making prawn firecracker. So what you will need is the following. You will need some tamarind sauce, some honey, chili flakes, you will need chili oil. I chose this one from Tesco, some fish sauce which is optional, some dark soy sauce, sweet chili, and the main ingredient which is Sriracha chili sauce to give it that kick. So I'm making the sauce first. 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 3 teaspoons of tamarind sauce. Then you will need 4 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 5 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce, and 6 Sriracha sauce if you like it spicy, and you might want to use 4 if you're not. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of chili oil. If you want it more spicy, you can add some more, but what I'm going to do is mix it well so all of the flavors are mixed well together. Now, moving that to the side, we're going to go with the rest of the ingredients, which is 500 grams of prawn, 2 bell peppers, 2 red peppers, 3 onions, and this is optional if you want to add Bok Choy into it. You will need some Cayenne Pepper, some sesame oil, you will need red chilies, I'm using 2, 1 inch of ginger piece to grate or slice, 9 garlic cloves, some jasmine rice, Nigella seeds, sesame seeds. I'm using 10 small red chilies that are dried, or you can use 5 larger ones, some lemon, and the sauce that you made earlier. Not forgetting 4 spring onions for garnishing and that extra flavour, and some of this. Don't ask me to pronounce it because I can't. So let's get started. You're going to add some sesame oil. To that you're going to add your onions, red chilies, garlic and ginger slices. To that you're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next you're going to move on to adding your peppers and adding your veg in and give it a good mix. To that you can add your red chilies that are sliced and add in your prawns. These are pre-cooked. I'm going to add in the spring onions, give it a mix, and I will show you how I toast my sesame seeds. All you want to do is keep it on a fire in a pan and just roast it until it becomes this golden brown colour, as you can see. Moving on, we're going to add the sauce to your mix and then add your toasted sesame seeds, and that's pretty much it. You can now add your bok choy if you want, and that's it. Simply serve with jasmine rice, and to garnish it I'm using some cayenne pepper and Nigella seeds. I know it looks like a lot of work, but it's really not. It's just the sauces that you have to mix. It makes a lovely dish, and trust me, you're going to forget what Wagamama is. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.